Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to week 3 instructions of your fourth unit in third grade, which is weather and climate. This week, we're going to be looking at different climate groups around the world, and you're going to be using a different website, and you're going to need to print out a worksheet this week. So just so you're aware of that, try to find a working printer or have mom or dad print that out at work. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is you're going to open this Google document and print it out. And again, it's easiest because with this one you're going to have to color, so you can use colored pencil. I also will have you answer the questions using your handwriting this week. It's much easier that way since you'll just have it printed out. The next thing that I'd like you to do is open this website and answer the questions that are located on that Google document that you just printed out. The website is awesome. It's going to, let me just see it here, it's going to have the different climate groups. You're going to be coloring based upon this. But then also, there are going to be a couple questions that you're going to be answering in your math connections this week that have to do with the precipitation amount. And to find that, you're going to go into the different climate groups. So I just clicked on tropical wet. And as you scroll down, it's going to give you some different information, but also, as you can see, it's going to have that precipitation. Just so you're aware of that, it's very easy to find. So you might have to do a little bit of research, but it's all on this website, and it should be pretty quick for you. So after you answer the different questions that are underneath or on this paper itself, then you are going to go into your math connection. This week might be a little quicker. Everything's located on that one site and you're answering questions by hand, but make sure at the end you put this back into your Google to be graded folder so that we can grade it. With your math connection, what you're going to do is you're going to answer the following questions on the document, and it has to do with fractions, and that was our last unit, so you should be pretty decent at it. But most of the questions involve what fraction of the climate zones get more than a certain amount or less than a certain amount of precipitation. So for that, you're going to look and you're going to count how many climate zones there are in total. And an easy way to do that is on this home page. And I'll go back for just a second. You can count them right here. So all of your fractions are of climate zones. But make sure, again, that you reduce your fractions to put them in simplest form.